Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. All right, USDCHF today analysis. So let's start the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we are building a bullish hammer, but this is only the third day of the week, so we got 2.5 more days to go. So we are still down in the weekly, but here this candle for today is not done yet. Okay, so 1st of October candle is not done yet. Most probably we might go down. This blue might turn red. The time will tell. Okay, next few hours will tell us. So well, the overall trend for a dollar is down. So I'm expecting USDCHF to go down, but nobody knows. Okay, so if this blue candle engulfs this previous red candle, then we might go up. But as per the geopolitics, the dollar is fucked up. So US is shut down right now, and I don't think dollar is strong. The US economy is very fucked up at the moment, so dollar is gonna go down. Okay, so I think if you take dollar trades, your TP will be hit on Friday New York session. Okay, so yeah, coming Friday in during New York session, your all TPs will be hit. So if you take longs for Euro USD, UP USD, that will be hit on Friday. If you take short for USD CAD, USD CHF, that will be hit on Friday too. Okay, so that's only my assumption as per geopolitics and as per the price action. So yeah, these 3 red candles. Now this candle has to be red by the end of today, which is not the day still has like maybe 7-8 hours to go. Okay, so we'll avoid this. Coming back to 4 hour, let's see. In 4 hour we are above the EMI. So this was your okay. So yesterday I told you this low was not broken. Okay, so if you go and watch my yesterday's video, I told you this is your double bottom. Okay, that's it. So this candle yesterday did not break this low. Let me see this one here at 79441. This is 7436. Yeah, this is double bottom. So obviously this candle, this is a triple bottom. Sorry. So 1, 2. So these 2 candles could not break this previous low, and that is why price has bounced back. Okay. So yeah, I guess we might take down this high before going down. So what I'm gonna do is I will avoid USDCHF because I have clear price action in Euro USD and GBP USD. So I will not worry about USDCHF. I will take my trades in Euro and GBP only. Okay. So avoid this USDCHF for the time being because we have in 4 hour kind of triple bottom. and too much for free to tell you. So I will shut up now. Subscribe, like, check out the swing trading and automation, join free Telegram, and check out these free premium signals, everything. Okay, join the brokers using my link. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.